case. 12 accused were produced out of 28 in the Mungul attack incident, and then they were produced before the Honorable CGM at Margam, Goa, wherein charge sheet has been filed on 10th November 2025 against 28 accused, and the copies of which have been handed over to the accused. The charge sheet is around 682 pages, and the incident had taken place at Mungul on 12th of August 2025, wherein the Patoda police have registered crime number 69 of 25 against all the 28 accused. The next accused, which were not produced today, will be produced on next Tuesday, that is on 25th of this month, November 2025.
Today how many accused present?
Today 12 accused were produced, and remaining will be produced on the next date, that is 25th of November 2025 at 2:30.